What if Mazda finally gave us the rear-drive inline-6 sports wagon we've been dreaming of? Imagine a sleek, powerful Mazda6 successor with a turbocharged straight-six, all-wheel drive and wagon practicality. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let's dive into this wild but totally plausible vision. The Mazda6 we never got, but should have. Remember all those rumors about Mazda building a rear-wheel drive sedan with an inline-6 to take on BMW? Yeah, that didn't happen. Instead, we got the Deepel-based EZ6. A decent EV and hybrid liftback, but not the true Mazda 6 successor enthusiasts wanted. But what if Mazda went all in? What if they took the EZ6, stretched it, gave it a wagon body, and dropped in a turbocharged inline-6? Buckle up, we're about to explore the ultimate Mazda sports wagon that should exist. Fixing the EZ6's design quirks, the EZ6 isn't bad looking, but it has some odd proportions. Chunky D-pillars, a front-heavy stance, and a rear end that just doesn't flow. Our redesign fixes that with longer wheelbase, sleeker roofline, wider rear haunches, more upright rear bumper, no more battery pack awkwardness, just pure driver-focused design. Interior. High-tech but driver-friendly. We'd keep the EZ6's cabin, but is upgraded with curved OLED displays, more physical buttons, expanded cargo space, 600 litres, practical and sporty. This would be a driver's car first, not just another tech-heavy EV. Power and performance. The inline-6 dream, the star of the show. Mazda's Skyactiv ZEET 3.3-litre turbo inline-6, currently making 340 horsepower in the CX-90. With some tuning, it could easily hit 400 horsepower, paired with a rear-biased all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic. And for EV fans, an upgraded 80 kilowatt-hour electric version, pumping out 295 horsepower. Final thoughts. Mazda, are you listening? This is the Mazda 6 wagon we deserve. A perfect blend of sporty driving, sleek design, and wagon practicality. Will Mazda ever build it? Probably not. But hey, a car enthusiast can dream, right? So, would you buy this Mazda inline-6 wagon? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car content. See you in the next one.